Hello, my super smart science friends. Welcome to Sci for Lesson, where we have science lessons filled with fun. Toyin quickly brought out the magical science book he found in his big brother's room when Priya came to visit him. As they looked around the book cover, Priya said, "This book is so big. Wow, it is a magical science book." "What makes it magical?" Toyin replied, "I don't really know. Let's find out together." Toyin and Priya flipped the book open. As they did, golden dust from the book filled the room, and gradually they both started to float in the air. They went up high and high till they landed in a very beautiful city. Toyin screamed, "Whoa! Whoa! Where are we?" Priya was looking around confused, said, "I don't know, but this is Wonderland." Just then, Oyayi, a genie, appeared singing,
"I am Oyayi, Oyayi, the genie. I am Oyayi, Oyayi, the genie."
Welcome to the magical science city. Welcome to the magical science city.
"You're welcome. I will be taking you on a tour." Looking at each other surprised, Toyin and Priya asked, "A tour?" Walking away, Oyayi said, "Yes, a tour. Follow me if you are interested." Oyayi led them through the city to a house. On the door of the house was the writing, "What's living?" Once again, Oyayi spoke and said, "This is the living thing's house." Once they entered the house, Oyayi and other small genies started singing and dancing.
Everything around us is either living or non-living. But the question is, how do we recognize them? Everything around us is either living or non-living. But the question is, how do we recognize them? We'll say something is living if it has life in it, if it can move and grow, eat and breathe, have babies and die, if it can also respond to changes in its environment, then we can say it is a living thing. Oh, really? Yes, really. Plants, animals, and humans are all living things. Let's go now to the plant kingdom. Maize plants, yam plants, bean plants, mango tree, and orange tree. The animal kingdom. Tigers, ducks, goats, monkeys, and leopards. Over now to the human kingdom. Are you ready? A boy, a girl, a man, a woman. Now you can identify what's living. Have fun exploring.
All of a sudden, Toyin and Priya immediately found themselves in the playroom right before the magical science book, but this time, the book was closed. Priya was so excited. She wanted to go back to the magical science city. But since her mom was around to pick her up, Toyin promised her that they would go back another time.